we will guide you how to trim a video in CapCut on your iPhone. Now, if you have a video and you wanted to remove the beginning or end or maybe the middle part of it, I'll show you how to do it. But first hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now let's open up the CapCut app here on your iPhone and tap on Edit here at the bottom left. Now I'm just going to create a new project and bring in a new video. Or let's say bring in two different videos now in here. I can always trim a video. And there are two different options. The first option is if you're going to trim the beginning or end of it all, you need to do is select the video so that it has that white border around it. And then now you can see that bold white line to the left of it. I can tap on it and move my finger over while holding it down. And you can see that it has removed or trimmed the beginning part of that video. Now, let's say if I wanted to do that at the end, again, I just make sure that video clip is selected and then move my finger over and you can see it starts to trim the end of it. However, let's say there's a beginning part and an end part, as well as a middle part. So let's say this middle part, I wanted to trim this out. All I'm going to do again is make sure this video is selected here. And then I'm going to tap on split at the bottom left. And then I'm going to go over to the end part that I wanted to trim out and hit split again. Now, all I need to do is select this middle clip here and tap on delete. And just like that, it has removed the middle part of that. You can see as it goes in through the transitions. Again, you can tap on any of these different ones and just move the slider over to trim it. And you can hit export when you're good to go. And you're good to go. More helpful tutorials, hit the like and subscribe button.